What is up? New to my channel, it's called Gears of Snore. And I don't know where the hell I'm going today. I might try to find that one road I was talking about. But yeah, leaving lovely Richfield Park here. Just got Sheila all fueled up. And see what the day brings, shall we? Right now, it's not bringing somebody who's accelerating onto the on-ramp. Sheila! Alright, I'll bring you back when I get closer. Okay, scratch that. This is not Otter Hole. This is Glen Wild Avenue. Yeah, a little rusty. That's an awesome old goal sign. I've probably driven past Pennings Farms a bunch of times in my videos, but we're actually going today. That place is cool. Boy, Ralphie just got a Honda Fit stick. I had one of them too. They're friggin' fun little cars. They're like little go-karts. There's a bunch of lakes up here too. Camphy Lake? Never heard of it till today. Hiking on this road. Once we get up a little higher, if you see cars parked on the street, they're all going to come back to tickets today. This is still technically Bloomingdale. This is a lot of fun, lots of curves. It kind of one rolls right into another in the opposite direction. It's cool. Yeah, see. Oh, not too bad today. I kind of thought it would be a little more packed. Oh, it's only 11 o'clock. That could be why. Just entered West Milford. It is a beautiful day out. 3 beautiful days back to back. And it looks like 2 weekends full of rain back to back. This rain shit's getting getting to be a bit much. Like, it shows rain every day this week through Sunday. Enough already. Huh?
Look behind us, the car.
Yeah, it is.
That car is back there, I noticed it.
Yeah.
That's why I was hitting the horn before.
Oh, no, that's him. Vance. And that, my friends, is a Shelby Cobra. Come on, guy. It's holding out 1 mile over the speed limit. It's not getting the packages there any faster. And it's got me shifting from 4th to 3rd to 4th. Baby girl. I think there's a drive-in movie theater here up on the right. I'll show you. It's pretty cool. Barbecue, baby. Should be on the right here. Turn my head far enough. Yep. We're gonna go in the wrong way because why the fuck not? Pan America and Dirt Brother. Park it up here. Yep. This counts as off-road. Shit, let's park right there. We're here. Pennings Farm.
The fast boat. It's got 2 big block Chevys, so I'm already about. Yeah, it's fucking cool. I said, you get.
So a guy made me an offer and wanted to purchase. Well, the purchase. I'm like, I got plans for it, but
And just like that, we're leaving Pennings Farm. Got Ken with me back there in the hot rod, if you can't see. What's that, Big Sheila? You want to go? Yeah, girl! We sat inside. What a good time, man. That Pennings Farm is awesome. Good food. They have their own cidery on site. I believe they're brewing their own beer too. You can buy vegetables, you can buy pies, you can buy steak from farms around here. You can get a whole bunch of stuff there. We had a libation at the inside bar. They have a beer garden. I don't know if I said it already. Staff was fantastic to us. If you're in the area of Warwick, New York, do yourself a favor. Stop by Pennings Farm, and they absolutely have the nicest, cleanest bathrooms I have ever seen in my entire life. Not too sure what that was about. But if you made it this far, Big Sheila and I thank you for watching. I drop my videos 3 p.m.-ish every Friday. And once again, I thank you all for coming along on this ride for me. I hope you had a great 4th of July weekend. Take care, friends.